Hey everyone, it's Angie and it's Quick and Easy Day, and we are using again the Playful packaging bundle, but I have a twist with this one. You don't need the cellophane bags, but we are going to make our own little box for it. This makes it really quick and easy, and it's really a fun one. I thought I'd do something for summer. It says hello sunshine, summer is coming, it's getting warm here. I did use Velcro on the top here, but you can use magnet if you want. Just be sure you're not giving it to small children. And yeah, you can fill it because it's 3/4 inch wide, so you can fill it with a lot of sweet goodies. This would be really a cute one for like a party, outdoor party, even 4th of July, anything like that would be really fun because it's just so, I thought it was so summery. And I picked the colors Lemon Lime Twist, and I am also using Melon Mambo for this one. But this is another new bundle that came out, and it is the Splash. This is the Playful packaging. This is what I'm using for the top. If you didn't see the other one, this is the one that I made with this cellophane one. I did this I think about a week and a half ago. So we're using the same topping stuff. And then this is the Splash and Relax. And look how cute the dies are. There's so many different things other than what's on here. I did do the little floaty, but you can do a beach ball, and all the sentiments are adorable. Little sunglasses, and then you get a little drink. My thought was to use the drink, but then I ended up seeing the flip-flops, and I'm using that, and a little sun visor. It's just so cute. I really love this one. I thought it'd be super fun for a summer project. Okay, so that's what we're using. We're just using the dies of the Playful packaging. So these are the dies that I'm using for this. I couldn't even fit them all on here. Well, I could probably, but this is from the Playful packaging, so you need to cut out these pieces, which I already did. I did it in Melon Mambo. I cut those out. You need these 3 for the top part. And then the star is also from the Playful packaging. And then the little flip-flops, the sunglasses, and the little floaty are all from the Splash and Relax. So I cut out most of the pieces for this already. And so we're going to just get going on it. All right. So first thing you're going to need is a piece of 8 3/4 by 5 1/4. And I am using Lemon Lime Twist. I'm using our new in color. This isn't the in color, but I'm using the new Brights. But this is we used to have these in 6 by 6, and now they're doing them in 12 by 12. It comes in all our color families, and it is called the Painted Patterns. Before it was just our like 6 by 6 designer series paper packs, but there's a lot of things in here. Brights are really like one of my most favorite colors of all of them. So I am using the Brights because it's so cheerful. So this piece again is 8 3/4 by 5 1/4. And then to mat it, these 2 pieces are 3 7/8 by 3 1/2. And I did do the back, but you don't have to. You could just do the front if you want. So we're going to grab our, and here's the topper part that we're going to decorate. And I am going to stamp the sentiment first and grab my mat, and we are going to stamp the hello sunshine. I say that now, but you're going to hear me complaining about it in shortly because it's already starting to get really hot here, y'all. Let's see, this side's better, so let's go ahead and do it on there. Isn't that cute though? I love that. And then while we're stamping, we'll stamp in the Melon Mambo the little floaty. Hopefully I can fit it on this same one. And there's our little floaty. I can't wait till we get all of our colors in the new magnetic, because these really are hard to open, even for me. I mean, I have a hard time with my thumbs. So I'm going to cut this out. We're going to just hand cut the hello sunshine. So we're just going to cut it. I'm going to just cut it small so that we can fit it on this cute little box. All right, so that's ready to go. I'll cut this out and I'll be right back with that, and we'll be ready to move on to the box. So here's our little floaty, and we're going to go ahead and do the box. So let's grab our piece here, and we're going to score this. It's super easy box. So we are going to score it on the 8 3/4 inch side at 4 and 4 3/4. And then you're going to turn it on the 5 1/4 inch side, and you're going to score it at 3/4 and 4 1/2. Or it's 3/4 on each side. All right, it's simple. We're going to just cut into here. If you go, this would be cute to bring, like if you're going on a family vacation or something. I think that would be so fun. And just bring everybody a little goodie. All right, we are going to sharpen these. And I'm going to use Seal Plus on the ends here. I'm going to get it all the way to the edge. And then just pull these up. Line them up to the edge there. You can see how quick this will go. All right, so there's our box. Let's go ahead and mat it while we have this all out. This is cute too. I thought that would be cute too, but I love the little polka dots. So we're just gonna mat both sides. These are all sticking to my finger. And I'm going to use the side. Let's get that better. Where the flaps are going back. So I'm going to use this side. All right. Now we are going to grab our 2 pieces here. This is scored for you, so you just have to sharpen the score mark. Use wet glue or use some Seal Plus. And I'm going to use a Seal Plus because we're in the video here and it just makes it easier since it's behaving lately. I put it on both sides, but you only have to really put it on one. I just want to make sure it's going to stay closed because it's on this box and it's going to be holding that box together. So you want to put your handle, let me see, it's going to go this way, so let's do it on here. You want to fold that down and then just center your handle on here, and then I just use this other side. I just feel like it sticks together better with both of those sides, and then just I'm going to add some Seal Plus here. You know, I'm going to do it with wet glue. I'm hoping that this is going to help keep it down more. When the wet glue dries, it'll be a really strong bond. But I didn't use the wet glue before. I used tear and tape. So I'm hoping that it stays together for me here. I just wanted to try the glue. You're just lining that up there. And I did, as you saw, press those so they're closed at the top. And then you can use magnets. Oops, I got that off, y'all. You want to line that up. Or did I just mess that up? Y'all, I'm taking it off here for a minute. I got to get it right. It's gonna bug me. Because you wanna make sure it's lined right up to that other line there. Oop, forgot I put Whew. I think that's better. All right, let's just go ahead and use the Seal Plus for now, since I messed that up a little bit, and I don't want to take the time to wait for the wet glue to dry now. All right, so we're going to center that on there and do it below your score mark. I'm sorry if my head gets in the way. I had to rig up my camera. It's messed up, so I'm hoping that you can see everything good and everything. All right, I'm gonna use, let's use a magnet on this one, just to make it go a little bit faster. I think the magnet's gonna just need one. I did put one on each of the Velcro dots, but the magnets are pretty darn strong, so I'm gonna see if it holds with the magnets. And you can also cover your magnets. I had this one going, y'all. Is it gonna be one of those days? I feel like it is. All right, so I'm gonna put one down here. And I'm gonna take that off. On this one, I might add a few extra dots of glue. Sometimes I do that on these because the adhesive's not always super strong. It is for small things, but because this is on a box, I'm thinking, let's see. Oh yeah, the magnet's really gonna hold it. So look at that. I did wrinkle that up there and it's really bothering me. But we're gonna leave it, y'all. Okay, I also cut a strip of basic white in 1/2 inch. I'm just gonna lay it on here. I think it's by 4. Let me just cut it because I'm sure it's 4 inches. So it's 1/2 by 4. And we're gonna add some glue and add that. Across here. You can stamp this and everything like I did for that other one. Like this one, I added some designer series paper and I stamped here. And you can absolutely do that for these too. All right, let me grab my star. We're gonna glue the star on and we're gonna glue our sentiment on. Y'all, I'm still trying to get my room organized. And it's not happening. It's not happening. We have been so busy. I don't know. There's so much going on. I'm going to put that on here. The hello sunshine. I think that's so cute. And then let's add our other pieces here. A little floaty. But I just haven't had time to organize things. I'm getting stuff that I've ordered, and y'all, I can't find a place to put it, or I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm gonna put our little sunglasses there. Isn't this cute though? I love these. Oh, let's put our flip-flops together. It comes in 2 pieces. You have to glue the little tongue part on. Who used to call them thongs when we were kids? We always called them thongs. But look how cute they are. This is a really fun summer one. This is also in our new catalog. And we're just gonna flop down those. I did everything coordinating, y'all, because you know, Stampin' Up's good for that. I didn't put it on the heel of this one, so I'm just gonna add that. It's earlier in the afternoon, so our little school bus isn't coming by right now. I'm gonna miss them today because I'm doing this a little bit earlier. They're so cute to watch get off the bus because they're so little. And there you go. You have that one. Here's the other one. Aren't they fun though? And it's super quick and easy. Okay, so there you go. Aren't they cute though? I think they're gonna be so fun for a cute little summer project. This one kind of looks shorter. It's because I put it way up to the top. On this one, I left a little space. So you can do it however you like. But I think they're both really cute. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog, stampingwiththemore.com. And if you're new, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Each time I upload a new video, give it a thumbs up or comment, because those things really will help my channel. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye.